Hi guys, good morning everyone. Just blending my tomatoes for tomorrow's stew Sunday. The blender I got is doing the work perfectly well, perfectly beautiful. A manual hand blender. Just do like this. After inserting your tomato in here at the blade, very sharp. You cover it. Make sure the hole here blend with the handle. Cut it over here. Fix it over here. Start blending. Very smooth. Look at the other ones I just made. It's working so well and very smooth. That's it. The hand blender I used. I just finished blending it. That's it. Very beautiful. When you have light, you don't have lights, there is no complaint. Got the cover. Got the blade. Look at the tomatoes inside. It's not so well. That's the last one I just blended now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting on my page all the time. God bless you. Bye. Have a beautiful Saturday. Bye bye. Bye.